Right everybody, it's Crosman, also known as Michael. I thought I'd come back and do a video about my rifle for you. It's my rifle case. Here she is. It's a little bit dark. I'm going to get her out for you. Got a trigger lock on her as well, so she's safe. Nice. Stand like there. So now I can put her legs down. Hold on, mate. See what I'm doing. Just extend the little legs down for you. So you can see we're doing that. Here's my baby. That's my dirty little bitch who likes to spit. That's what she looks like on this side, which is going to be closest to my body obviously because I'm right-handed, so I'll be holding her on that angle. Got my laser on the top, got my scope. I will be getting some meshing to go over the front of that because obviously a big circle sticking out of a bush, people are going to notice that a mile away, so I'll be getting some meshing to go over the front of there to help hide that. Laser sign there, that just comes straight through there. Silencer, also got a bit of fluff on it. I'm going to green that up, just like get some green paint or something to just help that blend in a bit. Turn around so you can see it from the other side. And that's what she looks like from the other side. Obviously that'll be covered when I've got the green bit on it. Nice. That's going to be covered once my arm's in the way, so you're not going to notice that bit. Nice, man. Absolutely buzzing. That's my baby, my dirty little bitch who likes to spit.